So today we are having a manufacturing day for Neshoba County, and we're including students in Neshoba County and adjacent counties, as well as employers within the county and adjacent counties. My name is Tori Williams, and I am the lead HR business partner with Weyerhaeuser Company for the Mid-South lumber facilities. What we want is for our students to understand what careers are available in manufacturing within their home area so that they don't have to move off. And we want employers to recognize the talent pools that are available locally so that they are glad to stay within our communities. Back in 2017, one of my leaders had gone to a manufacturing institute meeting. At that meeting, it was shared that these types of activities could happen. And so she brought that back to her team and challenged us. I met with a local community here in Philadelphia, and David Ball was there, and he really picked it up. He helped get a bunch of resources together, and our committee was born, and we actually had our first event like 3 months after the idea.
I'm David Vowell, President of the Community Development Partnership here in Philadelphia. Oh, I loved it. I loved it because, there's so many young people that don't know what we have here. We thought this would be an opportunity.
I'm Cody Spence. I'm at East Central Community College, and I'm the Director of Career and Technical Education. So we have a lot of our staff here, and we're hoping to have a chance to get in front of these kids and explain to them what we can do at East Central Community College and show them how they can go to work at these places that are in the Coliseum right now. Getting employers in the same place as the community college and showing the kids the partnerships and the way how to get to these places, it's a no-brainer.
We've got a committee. We spend time coordinating the event, getting the facilities, inviting the schools, the employers, and then trying to get feedback each year to make it a better experience every year. I really enjoy the students coming through and for them to understand the complexity, and I really kind of enjoy also seeing the different employers engage and really see the future talent pool that we're going to have as these young people graduate and get into the working environment.